Hi, Sheila. Sheila just got her vaccine right now, and she said it hurt. She's really upset.
No.
I took it like a man. Sheila took it like a whip.
Close up on my tears.
Yeah,
It
word.
hurt really bad. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Even though you already saw it, I'm gonna tell you how it went in my head. Okay. There was a big, ugly man, and he was bald.
He was
and he didn't have
ugly.
a hairnet.
Why would he have a hairnet?
Sterile reasons. Okay. And then they picked up the bin full of dirty needles, and they took one, and they were like,
Is that Rosa?
Rosa?
No.
and then it was like this big. I swear. Did you see it? Did you see? Look at this big. This big. Okay. And then they were like, "Look, it's Xana." And then, bam!
Right in the arm.
You can see the needle come through the side of my arm. So that's
So yeah,
my story.
it was a nice experience.
And then I cried, and then he was like, "Ah!" And then he moved the needle around in my arm. And then he pulled it out.
And then he's like, "Oh, my bad. I forgot to squirt out the vaccine."
So, yeah.
It was pretty fun.
I have AIDS now.
It was quite an adventure.
It was an adventure. I'll play some songs. So,
Yeah. I wonder if my parents are here yet.
I'll call you for it.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, Karen.
Bye!